Now let's see what is climate. What is climate? Climate is an average of the weather conditions that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time, for about 35 to 40 years. Children, it means the average measurement of weather conditions. The average measurement of weather conditions of a place over the course of years means when weather remains same for 30 to 40 years or 35 to 40 years, for years and years, it not changes. When weather condition remains same for a long period of a time, for a long period of time, for 35 to 40 years or for 100 years, then we call it climate. Then we call it climate. Is it clear, children? Weather can change in just few hours. Weather is for a short period. It can change in a few hours or in a week or in day to day, but climate remains same for years. How many years? 35 to 40 years or 100 years or 1000 years. It will remain same. For example, children, what is this? This is desert area. This area will remain like this only. You go to this, you visit this place in summers, you will find same climatic conditions. You can see same physical features. You go in December, you will see same physical features. Why? Because here the climate is hot and dry. Here the climate is hot and dry for years and years. So we can say this is what kind of climate desert area is having? Desert area is having hot and dry climate. But children, here we can see rain also. We can see storm also. We can see cloud in sky also. A cloudy day also. But it will be for a short period. It will be for a short period. But hot and dry. This is the main feature of this place, which will remain like this for a long time. It will not change. For a very short time, weather can change. Weather can be a part of climate. Weather can be a part of climate. When there is a change in temperature, there is a rainfall, there is a foggy day, but for a short period, then we can say it is a weather. But this place will remain like this, hot and dry, for a long time. Why? Because the climate of this place is hot and dry. Let's take another example. Now see, children, this is a picture of mountain area. You go in summers also. You visit mountain in summers, you will be feeling cold. Why? Because mountains are cold area. You go December, you go to this place in December, you will freeze there. Why? Because temperature is very low. Yes, it is. We can experience lot of cold in this area because it is the main character of this area. So the climate of this place is cold, freezing cold. Yes. Now see, what is this? This is coastal area near ocean or sea. It will be moderate, not too much cold, not too much hot. It will remain like this for years and years. You can see rain, you can see storm, you can see windy day, cloudy day, but it will be for short time. But for a long time, the climate will remain same. Yes, children, this is clear to you all? Different parts of the world have different type of climate. As we can see, children, here different colors. These different color represents different climate. On the basis of different climatic conditions, the whole world can be divided into 7 major climatic regions. On the basis of different climatic conditions, world is divided into 7 major climatic regions. Let's see what are these 7 different climatic conditions. Now children, see here, this is what, can you see the small rectangular box here with different colors? These are the key which tells us about what different colors are representing in this map. Like the dark area which is colored with orange color. You can see the area which is having dark orange color here. Here, little part of India. Can you see these are the parts which is in dark orange color. What kind of climate it is having? Very hot and wet. Very hot means temperature is high. High temperature. Okay. And wet. Wet means air is containing lot of humidity. Air is having lot of humidity. Now children, see here a part which is in light orange color. Part which is in light orange color. Children, you can see here major part of India. See here. These are the areas which is having hot and wet climate. Which is having hot and wet climate. Temperature is hot, not very hot. The dark orange is very hot and the light orange is just hot. And wet. Wet means again these area is having lot of moisture in air. Yes children. Now you can see this yellow part. You can see this yellow part. These yellow parts are having very hot and dry place. What kind of climate? These area which is in yellow color these areas are having very hot and dry climate. Why very hot? Because temperature is high. Why dry? Because air in these area is not having much moisture. They are having less moisture. Okay children. Now see the pink box, cool and dry places. That means the area which is in pink color. The area which is in pink color is having cool means cold climate and dry. Dry again children, dry means air is having less moisture and cool means cold. Temperature is low here in these area. Is it clear? Now next you can see the green part. This part. Can you see green part here? Little bit here. These green parts are having warm and wet climate. Warm means hot again, but not very hot. It is warm, pretty warm, but wet. Wet means again the air is having lot of moisture. Is it clear children? Now come to this purple place. Can you see these purple place? This is what? This represents very cold, means freezing cold. That means most of the time these places are covered with snow. Most of the time or almost whole year these are the places which is covered with ice or snow. These are very cold places which is represented by purple color. Is it clear children? So how many places we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let's see what is the 7th one. 7th one is Mediterranean. Mediterranean means this area. Can you see children here this area? Which is, you can see here lines. You can see here this green part which is covered with line, slanting lines. Okay. So this is the area which is having Mediterranean characteristic. What kind? This area is having basically this is the area which is near Mediterranean Sea. This area which is near Mediterranean Sea. Okay children, so this is clear. So these are the 7 different climatic regions in which whole world is divided. So this is all for today class. Thank you for listening. Stay blessed.